Okay, so welcome back and let's explore today base chain, and let me give you a couple of yield farming pools what I think is worth to have a look at. So base chain is one of the very famous chain for yield farming. What's mean yield farming is we providing liquidity, we are the market makers, and we making some passive income. So that's what I have been doing for the last few months, and now I'm exploring, to be honest, VFAT and also Aperture Finance. VFAT, it is amazing tool where you can do auto rebalance, auto harvest, and so on and so on. But today I'm just going to show you just a bit of VFAT because I took a big loss on SPEC and also on Brett a little bit, but SPEC just killed me in the last 24 hours because it dropped down to 20%, and I did retake some of my positions because I'm still experimenting VFAT, and also I don't want to give you full update what I'm doing because first I need to make sure that what I'm doing is working before I give you the strategy what is working for me, because you're going to get wrecked. Okay, so let's go and let's find out what's happening for base chain. So base chain and Solana chain are one of the best great chains for at the moment for yield farming, also including Ethereum. But everybody like base chain because of the fees are extremely cheap. Now, if you never subscribe to my channel, make sure you subscribe and like, and also leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. What is your favorite pool on base chain? Because if maybe I'm missing something. So one of the tokens what I'm farming right now and what have been doing extremely well is called Overnight Finance. What if you see in the last 1 month chart is going to go strength and strength and strength. Even last night dropped from 49, dropped down to 46. Whoever scoop up just for 5% discount, and now is back to 49.40. And you will see in the last 30 days it's only in the green. Also, the next what I like, it's KlimaDAO. KlimaDAO, it's more risky. I'll say both of them are risky, but it's paying a great APR, and for the last 30 days it's only down -8%, what is not bad to compare to many other different tokens. Like example, what I got wrecked on last night on SPEC, but let's go in SPEC. Where, give me a second, let me just go find SPEC. There was Spectral, sorry, I got wrecked. It's dropped down like 20%, and now it's finally going up. So in the last 1 month, you will see that the price is also not so bad, -4%. However, if you see in 1 year, I went here when it was around 950, $10, and I'm -40% on loss, and it is what it is. All right, so that is a couple of tokens, but let's go and let's find out first for Aerodrome Finance. So what is Aerodrome Finance? It's one of the best dexes for base chain. So here you can farm on concentrate pools and also on just a normal static pools. What's mean? You need to understand what is the difference. Now, before we go there, make sure you understand nothing here is financial advice. Do your research and make sure you never ever put more money you can afford to lose. This is crypto and it's very, very risky. Here you have an old school L2 liquidity pools. What's mean? You're getting the same APR what is named here. So OVN and USD plus, so this is their own USD stable token. Make sure you understand the risk of that. You will see that you can earn 203% APR, and this was just around 270% APR just few days ago. And this is what I have been farming, and you earning their own Aero token. What is doing very well, to be honest, and then you can sell, you can restake, you can do whatever you want. The next one, what I mentioned, it was KlimaDAO, and KlimaDAO also you will see here, if you compare this is what I did with Ethereum, is paying 244% APR, what is pretty crazy, to be honest. Yeah, I'm screaming, what is pretty crazy. Or you can also maybe do with USDC, it's going to get the same APR, but it's going to save you on the price when go up or down. It's give you like a little bit just like a brace when going down, so you can doesn't have too much impermanent loss. So this is the two pools what I'm doing in Aerodrome Finance. Again, maybe there may be more, but make sure you understand when here says example, let's find some kind of 800% APR. This is concentrate liquidity pool, so make sure you understand that this is not realistic. This is going to be drop a lot, or you need to have extremely narrow range. What you're going to get out of range very, very easy. Now, let me mention a couple of words for VFAT, okay? So this is the VFAT. First, when you come to this page, it says multi-chain yield aggregator and portfolio manager. Now, this is VFAT, and this is new for me. I know VFAT for many months. However, I've been using very rare, or now I just start using, let's say around 4 or 5 days ago. So far, it's doing what it says, and I find the way. Now, thanks to UIG Group, what I believe, thanks to them, they brought this VFAT tool a few weeks ago, but they still experimenting. So I was waiting a couple of weeks just to see how they are the things, and go and join. They are the best out there group to start learning for yield farming, and you have many information for free. Go and join the free course because it definitely is worth it. Now, if you want to join the paid course, make sure you say CryptoPhil send you, because we're going to get both of us good feedback, good bonus in the second month. Now, let's go here for VFAT. If you go to VFAT, so this is going to have on the first page, go here to yield farming, and then go here to this red dot, press there, okay, and then press here for Aerodrome, press here for base, concentrate liquidity pools, and you will see all the base pools what are concentrate pools. You will see here what I aped today. It's not OVN, it was let me see, ape here in this pool, what's called WETH, so Ethereum with USD Plus, what is paying amazing APR. Again, make sure I'm still experimenting, so don't do what I do. And again, this is crypto, so you are only responsible for your own risk. Now, so what you need to do here, you need to set up the range. So if you see if it's minus and plus 1%, what is extremely narrow range, you're going to get around 400% APR. And again, remember this APR going to go up and down. However, what I did is I did 2, and I did also here 2%, and I did auto harvest and auto compound. So I'm still experimenting, but the APR is around over 200% and around 240% for, if you think about that, if you have Ethereum with stable, that is a crazy APR. All right, so that's what I did. I also play with breadth, and I'm going to give you some updates hopefully in maybe 4, 5, 6, 7 days. I just need a little bit more data. And for breadth, I did here around minus 5%, and also I did plus 3%, and that give you around 500% APR, because I'm betting here that the breadth going to outperform Ethereum. Again, also I did auto rebalance and also auto harvest. So each time when there is some money in the pool, when it's like auto compounding, when it's auto rebalancing, I'm getting the money in my wallet. And so far for the last 48 hours has been working amazing. Now, next thing, what I mentioned, what I ate, it was also SPAC. So I trying to get back into SPAC with the money what I lost. So basically trying to increase that position, and let's see how it's then going to work. There are many Degen plays right here, like example Ethereum with Degen, or maybe this token MOG MOG. What I was looking very closely, but you need to invest at least $500 so you can do auto rebalance and auto harvest. And I think that's extremely risky position for myself. And even if you go, let's say minus example 10%, and you will see minus 5% here, what is pretty like let's say okay range, medium range, 15% up and down, you will get around 102,400%. Let me see if you can see the percentage here because of my face. There we go. Minus 2 plus 2. Let me see. Yes, you will see. Let me just hide my face there from this side. You will get around 1,244%. Again, this is extremely risky, so make sure you understand what you're doing. All right, so that's about it, just to give you some nutshell, but well done for overnight finance. I hope this bad boy going to perform very, very well. Spectrum, come on, man, you need to go up. I got wrecked right there. And also KlimaDAO has been doing very well for the moment. Again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know what pools I'm missing, or if you want me to check something else. All right, thank you, God bless, and I will see you in the next one.